No, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo eh.
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege, but ma'am,
Walang executive privilege kasi binunyag na
I
ninyo sa
must
TV.
state it very clear, as I stated very clear, that there was no mastermind.
Abakula po, bigla ka yata nagka-amnesya, di ba proud na proud ka pa noon na ikwento kung sino-sino kayong mga nagplano?
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isang
There was no
grupo.
planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
I said, hindi ako nagplano. Marami
May
kaming-
isang grupo na
ang
nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am. And that was all.
Rumor lang yon.
Yes, ma'am.
Group effort ang sabi mo eh. Ang tanong niya kung ikaw ang nagplano, tapos sabi mo,
There was no
hindi,
planning,
group
ma'am.
effort.
There was no planning, ma'am.
There was no planning, pero sabi mo ginamit ni Anyo yung kanyang mga intel, kung uuwi ba o magstay sa Hong Kong o China. Tapos nung umuwi ng Pinas bigla na lang umeksena si General Butiki, di ba ikaw ang secretary ng DILG at ito ang supervisory office ng CIDG? Ikaw din ba may direct na utos kay General Butiki? Ganda ng strategy nyo, alam nyo siguro na mahina kukuti ni Butiki kaya sinasamantala nyo.
Anong
Earlier,
in-effort ng group
ma'am,
kapag hindi
let
plano?
me make
I think that we're intruding into executive privilege already, ma'am.
Hala sumabat na ang isa pang remula, pero eto nga pala ang sinabi niya noon sa interview.
Ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
It was a group effort. Secretary Chidoro was there. Secretary Anyo was there too. And the President and I. Secretary Anyo, of course, his specialty is intelligence. So he was gathering all the information. Information that he gathered and shared was very reliable. And
Such as? Or is there
such
anything you can
as
share?
the conversations on whether or not they would go home. I think the lawyers were prevailing for him to stay in Hong Kong or in China, and the children prevailed on him to go home.
Ibig sabihin, yung mga lawyers po sinasabi kay dating Pangulong Duterte.
Parang gano'n ang lumalabas sa mga sources. Sources ni Secretary Anyo.
Opo. And he relayed that to the core team. So the core
Yes.
team is the President, yourself, Secretary Anyo, Secretary Teodoro, and
The President.
kayo lang.